DJI Osmo Action, new microphone adapter, but got that coming up next. Today, DJI announced a long-awaited option for the DJI Osmo Action. It is a USB-C adapter which will allow you to be able to plug a microphone into it. Now let's take a look at the first slide up on the screen, and it's called CYNOVA Osmo Action Dual 3.5mm USB-C adapter. I'm going to go ahead and throw the next slide on the screen, which has an overview on it. CYNOVA Osmo Action Dual 3.5mm USB-C adapter gives full display to Osmo Action sound effect, bringing clearer and excellent voice input experience. Minimal design, robust and durable, simple and convenient. Tips. Apart from voice input, it also supports battery charging and data transmission. In the box, CYNOVA Osmo Action 3.5mm USB-C adapter ×1, and specifications: CYNOVA Osmo Action Dual 3.5mm USB-C adapter, dimensions 28 by 24 by 21.5 millimeters. Compatibility with the Osmo Action. This is $39, and it is available on the DJI's website right now, so you can go ahead and order it. I went ahead and ordered it today. Well, let's go ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and show you a picture of it here. Now notice this is without the cage on it, and this is something that I want to talk about here for a second. You can see they've already plugged or a cord in there on the side to hopefully probably a microphone input. And you can see where this is at. Now I'm going to demonstrate to you on my DJI Osmo Action here, okay? Now you can see right here I have removed the door, all right? And this is where it will go. It will fit right in there, okay? Now, again, this is without the cage around it. Let's go ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and put the cage around it here. So you can see me do this here. Now remember, the cage has the adapter on the bottom, so you can mount it on a selfie stick or on a tripod adapter. So now take a look and see. Let's take a look here and see. Now you can see this is where this will not work when you have the cage on it. So one of the things that I did today, and I'm going to go ahead and throw the next slide up on the screen, is I tweeted DJI Support, and I said, DJI Support, looks like you can't use a cage around the Osmo Action while using the audio adapter. How do you use a selfie stick or tripod then? Well, I did get a response from DJI Support, and let me throw the slide up on the screen, and I'm going to read that to you. Hi Bill, you may still enjoy the benefits of using the recently released audio adapter in conjunction with the frame kit. The camera frame kit is retrofitted when using the CYNOVA Osmo Action Dual 3.5mm USB-C adapter. So I'm excited to go ahead and get that to see how that works. Question of the day: will you be ordering this USB-C adapter for your Osmo Action to add a microphone input to it? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.